Good morning, children. Today we have gathered here to discuss the examination pattern of 10th class. As we have completed a chapter called as chemical bonding, we are going to conduct an exam based upon annual examination pattern. How an annual examination pattern exists? Let me explain for you. Examination pattern, if it comes to part A, will be having 3 subblocks. First group consisting of very short answers. They will be giving 7 questions. We have to answer 7 questions, no choice. For each question carry 1 mark. Coming to second part, second subtopic, that is short questioning, short answers. First one is very short questions, second one is short questions. Each question carry 2 marks. There will be giving 6 questions. We have to answer 6 questions, no choice, of 12 marks. 6 twos are 12. Coming to third bit, essay type answers. We will be having 8 questions here. For each question there will be an internal choice. Within that we have to attempt 4 into 4, each question carries 4 marks. 4 fours are 16 marks. Total if we add it up, 7 plus 12 plus 16 will get 35 marks. If we add it up, 35 marks will be for part A. Coming to part B. According to annual examination pattern, there will be choose the correct answers. But whereas here, as we are discussing, as we have completed one chapter, only one chapter, we have given here fill in the blanks. Each bit will be having half mark, so that 10 into half is equal to 5 marks. 35 plus 5, total it will be equal to 40 marks. It is very easy to attempt questions here. First of all, we have to think it up in what way we have to study it up, any chapter. If you concentrate on essay questions here, maximum chapter can be get revised. In what way if you prepare, a chapter can be get revised. If you plan in that particular way and go for essay type questions. Essay type questions will be having 8 for us. If you study all the subtopics more attentively, easily you can attempt 4 questions. Some important essay questions, if you go for this one, I have given here itself. What are the questions can be obtained? If you go for ionic bond formation, we have seen so many examples. Sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, sodium oxide, aluminium chloride also we have seen it up. From all those examinations, ionic bond formation based upon valency, electronic theory of valency. If you study it up, we can easily get a direct question, or from that we can also, if direct question can be asked, that is ionic bond. Second question is what? Covalent bond formation. Within that, single bond it will be there, double bond will be there, triple bond based upon Lewis dot structure. Based upon Lewis dot structure, he may ask directly, explain the covalent bond formation, single bond, double bond, triple bond, especially maximum for 4 marks question, double bond and triple bond question. Triple bond molecules will be asked in the formation of covalent bond based upon Lewis dot structure. Next theory is what? Vesper theory, a direct question will be there. He may ask directly salient features of Vesper theory. Coming to fourth one is what? Valency bond theory. Within valency bond theory, salient features of valency bond theory. What are the salient features? He may ask direct question. Or you may also ask formation of oxygen molecule as well as nitrogen molecule based upon valency bond theory. In that way also you can ask. After that, one more topic is there. What is the topic? Hybridization. What is meant by hybridization? Within the three types of hybridization are there. One is sp, sp2, sp3 hybridization. If you go for sp hybridization, we are having two molecules I have explained for you, acetylene molecule as well as beryllium chloride molecule. If you study examples of those things much more perfectly, easily you can attempt sp3 hybridization. sp2 hybridization, if you go it up, ethene molecule's formula is C2H4 and boron trifluoride BF3 molecule. If you study these two things, we can easily attempt sp2 hybridization. Coming to sp3 hybridization, within the sp3 hybridization, methane molecule is there, ammonia molecule is there, as well as water molecules are there. If you study about these three molecules, how they will participate in sp3 hybridization, easily you can attempt a question there itself. Coming to next question is what? Properties of ionic compounds as well as covalent compounds. Yesterday we have studied clearly about the properties. If you study about all the properties, easily you can attempt this particular question there. And by using these 7 concepts, he may also ask in the form of application part. What are the application parts we can get up here? If you go for ionic compound as well as covalent compound together, he can ask for application part. Simultaneously by using s orbital, sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization as well as sp3 hybridization also, he can ask application part. Why means molecules are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 molecules. For these 7 molecules, different structure is there, different bond angle is there, different shape is there. By using shape, bond angle as well as different structure name, we can also ask the concept there in the form of application part. If you concentrate on these all topics, easily you can secure 4 into 16 marks easily. Not only that one, from these all topics, you may also ask for short questions also there directly. For example, let me give VSPRT theory. What is VSPRT theory here? We are having salient features. From that salient feature, one question we can prepare. What is that question is? Deficient molecule. 2 molecules are there. Beryllium chloride molecule as well as boron trifluoride molecule. These 2 are deficient molecule. About the deficient molecule, you explain it up. He can also ask that better question. For short questions. Formation of hydrogen chloride molecule or chlorine molecule or hydrogen molecule also you can ask for what short answers questions. Okay children, after completion of essay questions, come to short answers. We have to write 6 questions. Each question carry 2 marks. No internal choice will be there. 12 marks we have to attempt. How to get 100% marks for short answers questions? If we concentrate on all these concepts, essay questions, as we are reading essay type questions, children, try to read in such a way that try to understand the concept and try to grasp the concept and just be well prepared for essay type answers, so that from that essay type answers only he can ask 2 mark questions as well as 1 mark questions, very short questions. Short questions for 2 marks, very short questions for 1 mark, we can give it up. I have taken here some examples there itself. Short questions. Formation of what is meant by covalent bond, you can ask and explain it with one example. You may ask directly, explain it with an example. We can take any example here, chlorine molecule or hydrogen molecule or HCl molecule or compound. Similarly, if you go for Vesper theory and features, First feature as well as second feature. Second point is having these 2 points will explain about what deficient molecules of beryllium chloride as well as boron trifluoride. When it comes to beryllium is forming 2 bonds and having 4 electrons. Deficient of 4 electrons within beryllium chloride to attain octet configuration. Boron trifluoride is having 6 electrons, deficiency of 2 electrons. Why? These elements are called as deficient molecules. If you study clearly about Vesper theory there, easily you can attempt this particular question also there. Not only that one, sigma bond and pi bond here. From where this particular question came here itself? From valency bond theory, multiple bonds will form there itself. When multiple bonds are forming within, those multiple bonds will be of 2 types. One is sigma bond, other one is pi bond. How the overlapping is taking place? Sigma bond overlapping, how it is taking place? Pi bond overlapping, how it is taking place? And which is the strongest bond there itself, and which is weakest bond? If you write all the properties 1 to 3 points, easily you can get easily you can write this particular question there itself. Not only that one, what is meant by hybridization and types of hybridization? Hybridization means what? You have already studied. Intermixing of 2 orbitals of slightly variant in energy, such that what happened, a new orbitals will be forming of equal energy and rearrangement of electrons will be taken place in each orbital. That is called as hybridization. And we already studied 3 types of hybridization: sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, as well as sp3 hybridization. About those if you write up, easily you can secure marks. Next one is what? Drawbacks of Vesper theory. What are the drawbacks of Vesper theory? Easily you write up drawbacks of Vesper theory, you can write it up. Strength of the bond, it would not explain clearly. And extra electronic nature of element also it is not explained clearly. About those 2 drawbacks, if you study it up to some extent, we can write up, we can attempt this particular question there. And next question is what? Why do valency shell electrons involve in bond formation? Why not inner shell? Why internal shells are not participating in bond formation means what? They are existing in the form of kernel. And deficiency of what? In valency orbital, what happened there itself? Deficiency of electron there itself. Either deficiency means what? Deficiency of electron or extra electron is existing. So to lose electron, if extra electron is there, to lose electron, if it is losing electron, it is again an octet configuration. If it is deficiency of electron, it have to gain electron. If it is having electron, mutual sharing can be taken place there itself. So to attain stability, valency shell electrons are participating in bond formation. That we can study it there itself. And next one is what? Lewis dot structure of first A group element to 8 A group elements. Already we have studied. What is the valency of first A group element? 1. 1 electron will be there. What is the valency of 2? Second group element 2. What is the valency of third group element? 3. What is the valency of fourth group element? 4. What is the valency of fifth group element? Sixth group element? Seventh group element? Those elements are called as non-metals. Their deficiency of electron will be there. If there is a deficiency, what happens? It have to gain electron. How many electrons it is gaining in 50 A group element means 3 electrons, therefore valency becomes as -3. If you go for 60 A group element, deficiency of 2 electrons, therefore it is -2, it becomes its valency. When it comes to 70 A group element, it is having only deficiency of 1 electron, therefore it will gain that electron. If you go for 8 A group element, no valency, completely filled with 8 electrons, therefore no electron will be unpaired. Therefore, it is called as stable electronic configuration. In that way, Lewis dot structure for different, depending upon the element symbol, if you keep a dot or aspect, it becomes as what? Lewis dot structure. Next one is what? What is meant by bond angle? It may define, it may ask for us, what is bond angle? Already we have seen that itself. If you are taking a molecule, there itself central atom, and another atom, there itself it is forming a bond formation with central atom. An imaginary line, if you are drawing it up, such that the intersection of imaginary lines at central atom makes an angle. That angle is called as bond angle. And draw the structures of bond angles of beryllium chloride molecule, ammonia molecule, nitrogen molecule, or methane molecule also. You can ask clearly for us. Depending upon the structure of that particular molecule and bond angle, if you study to some extent, we can easily attempt that question. What orbitals will be get hybridized here? What will get hybridized orbital knot? What will get hybridized if you take it up there itself? We have already seen that all sigma bonds will be get hybridized, as well as all lone pair electrons. As all lone pair electrons will be get hybridized, therefore depending upon the hybridization also we can do it up. If you concentrate on all these topics clearly, what is octet rule? Direct statement you may ask it up. What is kernel? Why do atoms combine together? These all questions if you study much more perfectly there itself, easily you can secure 40 marks. So children, among all this, to understand chemical bonding chapter, all the essays, 7 essays are there. If you go through with the 7 essays more attentively, easily you can secure 35 marks. Remaining short answers are very large short answers. Some more topics if you study it a little bit, easily you can get 5 marks, so that easily you can secure 40 marks. So children, prepare much more perfectly all the topics. If you could not understand any topic, listen once or twice, 3 times or try 3 times to just visualize that particular video and try to understand the concept more attentively, so that you can not miss a single mark. All the best for exam. Thank you for watching.